start of it in old New York.
Hi you guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Thanks for clicking on today's video. So I hope you guys enjoyed that little intro portion. I had so much fun filming that. I feel like all the shots came out so beautifully and I just felt like really gorgeous and romantic and just like I was living my fantasy while I was shooting that. But for today's video, I thought it would be fun to show you a lot of different formal dress ideas. So a lot of people that I know are getting married in October, and I was looking online through tons and tons of sites to find a wedding guest dress because it's black tie formal event. And as I was looking, what's crazy is that a brand reached out to me and was like, hey, I want to collab on a YouTube video with you. So today's video is sponsored by Saved by the Dress. But as I was looking through their site, I was like, oh my gosh, you know, this price for all of these crazy dresses, like these formal dresses, are so affordable. And I know that a lot of you guys who watch my channel are also in high school or you're like in your early college years. And there's a lot of times where you do have to go to weddings or events or, oh my gosh, look at my doggy, or like proms or winter formals and things like that, but it gets really expensive. So I thought I would round up a lot of like different styles that I kind of liked. Some of them are a little bit more fun, some of them are a little bit more out there, and some are more formal, but I thought you guys would really enjoy it. So if you guys want to see the things that I picked out and the dresses and how I style them, then make sure you keep on watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel down below. I make new videos every Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And that's my dog walking away. And let's just get on with the video. Let's talk about this first dress that came out in the intro of the video. You guys, like, this dress, I didn't expect it to be as good in person as it does on the website. Like the photos on the website, I think could be like, could depict the dress better because it doesn't give it justice. That's what I'm trying to say. But it's just this like really long, formal, like full length dress. And it's got this like gorgeous white embroidering detail going across the front. This almost like pearlescent and crown looking like bejeweled belt section. It zips up in the back and it's kind of like a deep V cut, and like the dress by itself kind of looks like okay when you're just like looking at it on a hanger, but the minute you put it on, you guys, like as you can see in these cutaways, it is so beautiful. Literally 5 different people said I looked beautiful in this dress, and I think that just is like a testament to how gorgeous this dress is. The fit is incredible, let me tell you that much. And I feel like I wish I had known this company when I was in high school, because I would have definitely 1000% worn this to my prom. I would have, without a doubt. Like, I know it's a bit much because some of you guys are like, oh, I'd rather wear something more simple, which I do have for you in this video. But if you're extra like me, you are gonna love the fit of this dress. It just kind of like goes in and out, very mermaid look. I just really, really loved it. And I can't believe of how affordable it is. Like, that's what blows my mind. It's that these dresses are like this good and this beautiful, but it's really affordable too. So this is the first style, and again, it's just so beautiful, and I'm in love. I'm in love. the color is just so beautiful too. Okay, the second dress that I wanted to show you guys today is another like formal dress for a good prom moment as well. If you're a little bit more conservative, if that green one was a little bit too much for you, this one here is also really stunning. I feel like you can never go wrong with like a beige kind of blushy toned dress. This one here is again just a little bit more subdued and a little bit more modest. So if you like having your skin covered up, like this back is completely covered up, but the sequence on here is so pretty. It's just like really like delicate and just like very what's the word? I think delicate is the word that I'm looking for, but like it's just really beautiful. It's tulle all the way down, but what I love inside of the dress is that it has two slits in the front. So there's just like these leg slits for you in the front, and your leg just peeks through on both sides. So even though it looks kind of covered up and really like modest up in the top, it is still kind of has that sexy element, and you can show off your legs, which I think is really beautiful. I got this one in a size medium, and then I also got the green one in a size medium as well. Oh yeah, this is probably better lighting. This is more true to what the color looks like. Let me tell you something, dresses just can get so expensive so fast. And I would rather pay less money for a dress that's like really good, but also that, you know, I don't have to worry so much about, because as I'm looking to find dresses for this upcoming wedding that I'm going to, you know, I get worried, like what if I do invest a lot of money in a really nice dress, but then like something happens to it, or I don't wear it as much as I want to. So I do feel like when you're in high school, or when you have a lot of these events to go to, like dances every year or something, whatever it is, it's always really nice to look for a more affordable place, but you also get the look. So honestly, like it comes out so pretty in pictures. So something that I've learned when it comes to dressing up for a formal occasion is, because the whole process can just be expensive, from the dress to the shoes to the accessories to the makeup and the hair, something that I think is really great is to spend a little bit less on a dress, so that you can spend more money on your hair, on your makeup, on your accessories, because your accessories is really what makes a dress alive. Your hair, if it's like done well or you pay money for it, trust me, you'll just look like so much more. It'll really dress the dress up itself too. I have this dress on here. It's like a blushy paley pink, as you can see. Again, if you're a bridesmaid and this is like one of the colors that are required for you, all of the links for these dresses will be down below. I think this is a really classic piece just to have in your wardrobe if you are going to like a formal family event, or if you have to take a nice photo, or if you have these formal wedding guest invitations and things. This isn't one that's too out there. It's not too basic. It's just elegant enough, and you'll be really comfortable, because again, like the straps in the back are just like straight down, and then it just zips up in the front. It just zips up in the back, so it's actually really comfortable. I feel like I can move, I can dance in this one, I can do whatever I want, twirl in it, and I'll feel absolutely stunning. So again, I love this dress a lot. I love the peachy color of it. But let's move on to the next dress. So this next dress here is like this one shoulder satin dress. Now this is something I would normally never go for. I feel like it's definitely out there, and I feel like this is one I would have worn to like my homecoming, or like just something where it was a little bit more fun. Neon pink and neon yellow is such a big trend, like even if it's the fall or winter or the summer, spring, I feel like there's just certain nights where you have to wear a neon and just go all out in that way. So I picked this one up here. It's got a perfect like slit for your leg going through, and then you just have this gorgeous one shoulder moment. Again, I think it's a lot of fun. Like I feel like in every girl's wardrobe, something like this is a staple, just because like there are nights where we just want to go out and wear like something bright and really colorful. Even though I'm like the neutrals queen, like I will not stray away from my neutrals, I still feel like having one of these is such a staple in your wardrobe. Like look how beautiful that color is. It really reminds me of like a Lady Gaga moment for I think it was like Brandon Maxwell who did her dress for the Met Gala. I just thought something like in a hot fuchsia was just a lot of fun and I wanted to try it out. The next dress is kind of along the same lines. I have this like fun kind of Carrie Bradshaw inspired flouncy dress. This one, again, I really got because I was so inspired by Carrie Bradshaw when I saw this. There's an episode in Sex and the City where she wears like, she finds a pair of like, I think it was Prada shoes or something, and they've got ruffles right in the front, and she just doesn't want to spend the money. I think it was either Prada or Manolo Blahnik. I don't exactly remember. But this dress just reminded me of that scene from the show, and I saw it and I was like, okay, like I just have to pay tribute to Carrie Bradshaw in this dress. Again, this would have been a lot of fun for like a homecoming or something just where it's like not that serious and you don't have to dress up in something really formal like what I've been showing you. But it's also just it's still a lot of fun, and it's forgiving because you can kind of like hide whatever, if you've eaten like a big dinner or something, you can hide it all under this dress. So I think it's just a really fun kind of summery moment, so I wanted to pick that one up. The last dress is definitely one you want to wear in Vegas, like if you're staying at the Cosmopolitan or it's like a 21st birthday situation. Again, like you'd be so surprised as to like there's so many websites on the internet, and when I found this website I was like, wow, it's crazy that I probably would have bought some of my clothes like for my 21st birthday, these occasion moments on websites like these, because when I spent more money, I look at those dresses now, and although they have such a good memory in my mind, they are so expensive that I'm like, I never wear them again. So that's why I'm glad that there's sites like these available. So this one here, it's like a silver moment, and the inside is kind of like a taupey beigey color, so I like the two colors together. And again, there is also like a little slip inside, so you're not completely showing through. On the hanger, it looks like absolutely nothing, but again, it's like this haltered silver, like mermaid moment. It just gives me like such a mermaid moment. I love the way that it kind of covers up the stomach, and it just kind of is really flattering, but it's also really sexy because it's completely backless, and it's definitely a statement type of dress. So I highly recommend this one if you are turning 21 or you're going to a really like out there event sometime soon. I definitely recommend checking this one out. But those are all the dresses that I wanted to show you guys today. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to check out all of these dresses in the links down below. Follow me on Instagram and Snapchat and Twitter and everything. I'll leave links to those places down below as well. I hope you guys are having a great day, and I'll talk to you guys all in my next video. Bye!